Hello and welcome to Schoolhouse by the Sea. I'm Miss Sylvia, and today I'm going to show you an activity called Number of the Day. This is a great way to be creative with numbers, and it's a way to practice all the different processes: addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. You can go to our website, Schoolhouse by the Sea, to download this worksheet, and you can also use one that only has addition and subtraction if that's where you are on your math journey. I'll show you with all of the processes though, and see what you think of the activity. You're going to need a pencil as well for this activity, and that's about it. You can add dice to decide what number you'd like to do. I like to go in order, 1 through 100, one each day, but you can choose to do this in a lot of different ways. Today, let's use the number 10 as an example. So I'm going to try to find at least 3 examples for each section. You can set a timer for yourself to give yourself 5 minutes to be creative with this number, maybe even 10 minutes, or maybe challenge yourself to do it in 2 minutes. I'm going to start with addition. 10 plus 0 equals 10, and 0 plus 10 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10, and 1 plus 9 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 2 plus 8 equals 10. Do you see a pattern? If you do, continue that pattern. But keep in mind that you can also be even more creative. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. I also know that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Let's see if we can find some patterns for subtraction, because when I feel stuck in getting started, a pattern is the best way I can find to just get my math juices flowing. So 10 minus 0 equals 10. 11 minus 1 equals 10. 12 minus 2 equals 10. 13 minus 3 equals 10. Do you see a pattern? If you do, continue it. And do you notice anything different between these two sets? Can I do 0 minus 10 equals 10? Something to think about. For multiplication, I'm going to move along and see if I can start with a pattern again. 10 times 1 equals 10. And this time, 1 times 10 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10, and 5 times 2 equals 10. I might also play with some of the things that I saw here. 2 plus 2, that's 4, times 2, that makes 8, plus 2 equals 10. What other creative ways can you make 10? For division, I know that 10 divided by 1 equals 10. I also know that 20 divided by 2 equals 10. I also can get creative. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. 200 divided by 20 equals 10. How else can you play with the number 10 for division? For subtraction, I can do something similar. 20 minus 5 equals 10. 30 minus 10 equals 10. I can even combine processes here. So 5 times 3 minus 5 equals 10. As long as you're using this process in one square, it's absolutely fine to put it in there. And I love seeing the creativity that can come out of finding different ways to make 10. Have fun with your number of the day and get as crazy and creative as you possibly can while still being accurate. Have fun.